Samsung might still be distributing One UI 7 updates, but development for the next major iteration, One UI 8 based on Android 16, is already in motion behind closed doors. In fact, an early test version has already been spotted, offering a glimpse into what's coming next. So, what can we anticipate from One UI 8? Will it be a full visual overhaul like its predecessor? Probably not. It's unlikely Samsung will introduce two major redesigns back-to-back. One UI 7 brought considerable changes, and Samsung seems to be taking a more subtle, enhancement-driven route this time. Rather than a complete reinvention, One UI 8 is shaping up to be a polished, feature-centric update. One of the most noteworthy enhancements is the broader rollout of the Now feature. This smart daily overview, previously exclusive to premium devices like the Galaxy S25 series, is expected to arrive on more models, including older and mid-range handsets. It's a thoughtful move by Samsung, showing a commitment to inclusivity across its lineup. Additionally, Samsung is preparing to bring log video capture to more devices, such as the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 6. For those unfamiliar, log video allows for shooting in a neutral color tone, offering more flexibility during post-editing. This is fantastic news for content creators and filmmakers who demand better editing control. Another upgrade in progress is a more user-friendly interface for Quick Share, Samsung's built-in file sharing tool. In One UI 8, the layout will clearly separate send and receive modes, minimizing confusion and streamlining the process of quickly exchanging files between nearby devices. The Quick Settings panel is also getting a slight design update. Samsung is testing darker shading for toggle switches, not a game-changing update, but it improves visibility and overall interface clarity. In the same vein, the Gallery app and others that utilize pop-out menus will now display circular options, improving both visibility and navigation flow. It's a small aesthetic shift, but one that contributes to a more fluid user experience. Of course, these aren't the only enhancements planned. What we're seeing is just the beginning. More additions are likely to arrive as the software moves closer to its final release. Many of these changes will likely be shaped by Android 16's underlying framework. Rumor has it Samsung is also focusing on multitasking improvements, especially with the rise of foldable phones and larger displays. Streamlining multi-window usage could play a big part in enhancing productivity. In addition, enhancements to Samsung DeX, the brand's desktop-style interface, are also on the cards. More flexible display support and easier controls are expected to improve usability across external monitors. Another possible feature is the inclusion of third-party widget support on the lock screen, a long-standing user request. If introduced, it would significantly boost customization options. There's also speculation about upgraded Galaxy AI features. While we're not expecting groundbreaking AI innovations in One UI 8, more seamless integration and minor improvements to Samsung's virtual assistant seem likely. Now let's talk release timeline. Samsung doesn't have much breathing room here. One UI 8 is expected to launch alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, both rumored to be revealed at this summer's Unpacked event. That leaves little opportunity for massive changes, which suggests the core framework of One UI 8 is nearly locked in. In essence, One UI 8 isn't trying to redefine the Samsung experience, and that's okay. Following the major leap made with One UI 7, this version